In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or manage saved payment methods in Exness the right way. If you've tried to delete a saved bank card or e-wallet in Exness and couldn't find a delete button, you're not missing anything. This is by design. Exness generally doesn't allow you to directly remove saved payment methods, especially active ones. These methods are kept on file to ensure smooth deposits and withdrawals and to meet compliance requirements. That said, they won't stay there forever. In many cases, payment methods naturally drop off on their own when they expire or after a stretch of inactivity. So if a card has expired or you stop using a particular wallet, it may automatically be removed over time without any action from you. However, if you need a payment method removed sooner, or you have a specific problem that requires permanent removal, the path forward is to contact Exness support from your personal area. Log into your personal area, go to the support or help section, and open a support ticket. In that ticket, clearly explain that you want a saved payment method removed and briefly describe why, such as it being lost, replaced, or no longer in use. Provide the account details that Exness requests within the secure form so they can verify ownership and act on your request. Keep your explanation straightforward and make sure everything you submit is accurate. Avoid sharing sensitive information in any channels outside the official support form. Once you've submitted the ticket, keep an eye on your email or the ticket portal for updates. Response times can vary, and sometimes support may ask for a bit more information to complete the request. If your goal is to tidy up your list of methods, remember that inactivity and expiration are often enough to let older entries fall off naturally, so patience can be a perfectly valid approach. One more thing to consider. If the bank card you want to remove is actually linked to your Google Play account, you might be able to manage it directly through Google Pay settings. Removing a card there affects how it's used within Google's ecosystem. This is separate from Exness, but it's helpful if your card appears because of App Store billing or mobile payments. Just keep in mind that removing a card in Google Pay doesn't force delete it from Exness. You'd still follow the support ticket path for the Exness side. That's the process. Use automatic removal by inactivity when it fits. And when you need hands-on help, submit a support ticket from your personal area with a clear reason for the request.